is well, at a minimum, I'm gonna order no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence, no firearms or other weapons, don't have contact of any kind with the alleged victim, and stay away from the victim's home, workplace. And the state is recommending $500,000 with pretrial services supervision. We'll hear from defense counsel.
Judge, from my reading of the interim complaint, it sounds like this appeared to be an accident. I know when I read the defendant stayed and provided aid and spoke to police when they arrived. He doesn't have any felonies or misdemeanors. He's only scoring a 1 on the FTA and a 2 on the NCA scale with no active NVCA flag. And he's only 18. So it doesn't have a significant financial history, and just given how this was charged, despite the facts, which I know the state is going to emphasize, we'd be asking for a much lower bond.
Okay, thank you. We'll hear from the state.
Your Honor, first off, firearms don't go off by themselves. A trigger has to be pulled. If this person was in an argument with the victim over the fact that she didn't want him to have the firearm, and whilst apparently placing said firearm into a backpack, it went off. Basic gun safety says you unload and clear a weapon before you put it away.
Judge, that's not in the facts.
I'm looking at the IC.
You can't just volunteer information.
Your Honor, guns don't go off by themselves. This person took a .223 round to the chest and is currently, at last heard, in critical but stable condition at a local hospital. Additionally, it looks like state submits, but what we have here is a person that's lucky to be alive because of the actions of the defendant, notwithstanding their actions, excuse me.
All right, thank you. $150,000 bond, pretrial services supervision, if posted June 12th, 1:30, public defender appointed. Along with the other conditions, you're excused.
If possible. Then Reynolds.